Hey YouTube, it's Haps Collector 13. I hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, I have the brand new 2022-23 Upperdeck Artifact Hobby Box. It's been a really long time. I didn't do a video since Upperdeck CHL. And so today I'm back with a really good box, Upperdeck Artifact, which is one of my favorite products. And the rookie crop in this is really good also. Got Matty Beniers, Marco Rossi, Matt Boldy. A lot of nice hockey players in this box. So in this box you'll find 4 cards per pack and 8 packs per box. I did open the 2021-22 version in I think September. So if you guys want to check out the box, I'll put it in the description and it's gonna pop somewhere here. Alright, we're gonna put this here. And okay, so there's some really nice cards you can get in this product, like the Matty Beniers rookie 1 of 1. There's the esteemed endorsements of Alex Ovechkin. There's some scripts. Oh my gosh, look at this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but in the first pack we have a huge thick card. We're just going to show you the base cards, which I think are really nice. Nice blue like frame. So we're going to leave the fat pack for the end. I mean, we never know if we get another fat card. I'm just gonna open it. So okay, here we go. We have Cam Atkinson, really nice. We have Mitch Marner, who's playing really well. We have Taylor Hall, and we have like, I think okay, Decoy, and we have Artifact Ruby Parallel number 53, Trevor Zegras. No, Moritz Seider. Oh yeah, I'm actually gonna see him probably tomorrow because the Habs are playing the Red Wings on well, tomorrow, Thursday. So this is a really nice card, number out of 499. Unfortunately, it's not the rookie, but it's fine. All right, pack number 2. Okay, so we have Alex Newhook, we have Dawson Mercer, Jordan Eberle. I saw him against Montreal when they came to play here. And we have a Artifact, Alex DeBrincat, I guess gold, out of 599, which is really nice. The rest is base. Okay, pack number 3. We got Josh Anderson with the Montreal Canadiens. We have Trevor Zegras. We have Eli Tolvanen. I also saw him. And we have a Artifact. I believe it's gold. Matt Barzal, number out of 299. Really nice. So far we hit some pretty cool cards. Still got 5 more packs. Okay, Josh Morrissey. We have Jordan Binnington. We have a big Decoy. And we have, I think, a jersey, because it's a fat card. So Artifact, it's like really shiny compared to the base cards. Number 6, is it Brock Besser? Yeah, Brock Besser. I have no idea why it's a thick card, but if you guys have any information about it, let me know. It's just a base, not numbered card, thick. I have no idea. It's probably a misprint or just a joke. Maybe no, whatever. Okay, so if you guys have any information about this card, let me know. Okay, next pack. That is a really funny card to have. Okay, next pack. So we have Alexia Fallow, we have Adam Fox, Decoy, and we have, what is this? Mario Lemieux? It's a Pittsburgh Penguins treasured swatches of Jake Gensel. Really nice. Nice jersey card of Jake Gensel. Okay, next one. Okay, Quinn Hughes. We have William Nylander. We have Phil Tomasino. We have a Decoy, and we have a rookie. Number out of 85 of Owen Power. Oh my gosh, nice, really nice. Owen Power rookie artifact, number out of 85. Really nice. The card is in really good shape, I think. No. Yeah, well, think again, Upperdeck. I mean, it's we got a nice rough edges right there, but so far it's really nice. Okay, let's go. Next pack before the big reveal. All right, Ryan Pollock, Nicholas Backstrom. We have a Decoy. We have a Jeff Petrie, Montreal Canadiens base, and we have a rookie redemption of the Nashville Predators. Red 217. Okay, now for the big reveal, we have John Carlson. We have Martin Necas. Is it 3? We have 4 cards. We have Shane Pinto. And we have, who is going to be this nice card? It's, as you can see, it's rough. It's a Predators. Phil Tomasino. Artifact Year 1 rookie patch. Okay, so not bad. Number out of 25. Ooh, that's a nice card. And the patch is really, really nice. So no autograph in this box, but we did pretty well, I think. Okay, let's recap the hits real quick. We have a nice Owen Power rookie out of 85. We have a nice Jake Gensel treasure swatches. We have a bizarre artifact of Brock Besser. We have a Barzell number out of 299, the Brinkat out of 599, and a Moritz Seider out of 499. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And it's really good to be back. And I will see you for the next video. Peace.